Good morning students. Today I am explaining current division rule when two resistors are connected in parallel. First of all, we draw the parallel circuit. This is the resistor R1. This is the resistor R2. Current division rule is applicable for only parallel circuit. Parallel circuit means all starting terminals are connected in one side, all ending terminals are connected in another side. This is the parallel circuit. We are obtaining a voltage. This is the VT. Means total voltage. IT means total current or current flowing through the circuit. I1 means current flowing through the resistor R1. I2 means current flowing through the resistor R2. VT is equal total voltage in volts. IT is equal total current in amperes. I1 is equal current flowing through the resistor R1. I2 is equal current flowing through the resistor R2. Resistor R2. VT means total voltage in volts. IT means total current in amperes. I1 means current flowing through the resistor R1. I2 means current flowing through the resistor R2. In case of parallel circuit, VT is equal V1 is equal V2. First, you taken the VT is equal V1. VT is equal V1. According to Ohm's law, VT is equal IT RT. V1 is equal I1 R1. V1 is equal VT. Substitute the V1 value in this equation. V1 is equal I1 R1. VT is equal IT RT. when two resistors are connected in parallel, RT is equal R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. This is the RT is equal to formula when two resistors are connected in parallel. I am explained in previous class also. I1 R1 is equal IT. Substitute this RT value. RT means R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. This R1 comes to this side. I1 is equal IT R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 into this R1 comes to this side. This is multiplication manner. Comes to this side, it will be division. R1 will be cancelled. It becomes I1 is equal IT R2 by R1 plus R2. This can be also write down I1 is equal, IT means total current. Total current into R2 means we find out the I1 value. R2 means opposite resistor into opposite resistor by sum of all resistors. Sum of all resistors. This is the I1 is equal to formula in current division. I1 is equal to IT into R2 by R1 plus R2. Similarly, we find out the I2 value. In second case, we are taken to the Vt is equal to V2. V2 is equal to Vt. According to Ohm's law, V2 is equal to I2 R2. Vt is equal to IT RT. Substitute this V2 and V2 value in above equation. V2 means I2 R2. V2 means I2 R2. Vt means IT RT. I2 R2 is equal to IT RT means this R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. When two resistors are connected in parallel, RT is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Substitute this RT value in this equation. R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. This R2 comes to this side. I2 is equal IT R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. This R2 will be comes to this side. This will be division. R2 will be cancelled. The remaining value is I2 is equal IT R1 by R1 plus R2. This also write down I2 is equal, IT means total current into, we find out the current flowing through the second resistor I2 means R1 means opposite resistor, total current into R1 means opposite resistor, by sum of all resistors. This is the I2 value. Find out the current flowing through the second resistor. I2 is equal IT into R1 by R1 plus R2. Thank you.